Take one. We are rolling. This is COCO, collocation sketching, collocation, collaboration. So the way it works is you turn your hand like this. At the moment there is no tool, so you can draw. So if I want to choose some red and I want it to be free, then I can draw. I can do a line. And of course I can delete. So if I put my ball there, that's going to delete it. So the interesting thing as well is you can use a thickness. So way thicker, delete. You can also delete in a radius, so which means that if I'm drawing quite thick, like this, and if I want to delete a small radius, maybe not. I'm not sure if I can delete a vector inside, but anyway, so if I go back to drawing, you've got measurement. So this is way too much. Let's do some dark, and I want to measure. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take a point from here, and I'm going to, this is 62.73 millimeter, and I can do the same from here to the bottom. And so, okay, I've got still my hand there. So I can take measurements, which is fair enough. If I go to the menu, where was it? Settings. I can choose in feet, centimeter, millimeters. So, so this is to undo something. So there's only one way back. You can't go on the other side, which will be useful. Anyway, so let's bring my hand again. So here I can draw a box. Okay, so that's my box. And I can create a box from different colors and intertwine them, like this one. Delete them. So if I want to create a box, like this, and then I want to adjust it, so I can move it. Okay, and every side I want. I can stretch it. So if I click on stretch, you've got this 6 points, and I can stretch it the way I want. Can come back. And I can copy, of course, so here you go, duplicate it many times. Okay, so same with a sphere. I can have a sphere, and if I want measurement in my sphere, I can see in centimeter. That's going to be the radius. That's not going to be the circumference or the volume inside. Okay, so I can also have a working plan, so I can choose the space in between, the width and everything. So here you go. I can have multiple. And again with this one, you can stretch them. Can I? Maybe not. Can move it. I cannot stretch it. I guess it's static, so it's a form which is a shape which is static. A good feature I can do is to group. So if I select this one and this one, and then I'm going to move them, they are a block together. Very useful. Okay, so you've seen all the different settings. The last one I wanted to show you, it's very easy to maneuver, will be the box. So the box, if I create a box, but then inside I want to put a measurement, then I know exactly my size. Of course, no, with my hand. So I'm using a controller, but everything is also fully usable with your hands. So go on. And then I can draw. If I want to draw a line. Okay. Different color. And I can have the measurements. So that's a wrap for now. So delete. And then to delete, you just press a tick to say yes. Snapping distance. I'm not sure what this is. Snapping distance. That must be from me. Yeah, that's a wrap. So I like the measurements in the drawing because if you want to redo some okay, it didn't take the measurements, so I have to do it again. So to be honest, you could even play cross. So the way I'm saying that is because you could have two people collaborating in a collocation environment. So you could have another person seeing exactly what you're seeing and sharing your sketch. So if you go to the main menu here, you've got sketches. And if you are in the same, I'm pretty sure it's on a Wi-Fi, but if you're in the same vicinity, then you can share your sketch with each other. So you can both see, and you can explain, okay, well, I think we should do something like this. So let's go back to the main menu. And then draw. And then what I like is this tool. And we want to adjust it. We want to move it above and before. No, not you. Can go there. Okay. And then you can stretch it up. And then you can move it whatever you want. Okay, I hope that makes sense and you enjoyed this application. So that was COCO for you. Let me just show it again to you. COCO collocation sketching. That might be called COCO 3D. But anyway, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.